Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up a brand new box to our channel. It's called Scent-a-bration, a memory in every candle. Wow, can I speak? I think that is such a cute name, Scent-a-bration. So obviously this is a candle subscription, and I was just looking online. So they have an option to get candles or wax melts, and it's about $30 something, and they have a code non-affiliated to share with you guys to get 50% off your first box. So that's awesome. I will link them down below and that code. So we'll learn more about what's in the box when we open it, since it's brand new to our channel. But anyways, before we get started, which by the way, I think it smells really good already. But before we get started, before I go nuts over candles because I love them, welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you like them too, unboxing subscription boxes and this channel's overall vibe, my vibe, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. But let's get started. Scent-a-bration. Did I use scissors yet? No. Scissors. I feel like I look like kind of a bum. I was like cold and it was hot, so I put on a sweater and now I'm hot again. Oh, there's no, oh my gosh. Something smells so good. Let's see, there's a note. Let's see what it says here. Aw. Kitty, thank you for being the best part of this box. Amy. Oh, thanks, Amy. And the company that makes Scent-a-bration, by the way, is Wax. Oh my god, you guys, it already smells so freaking good. And then, well, thank you, Amy. That was really sweet. And then there's a little note here, and everything is wrapped up. Oops. Oh my god. Something smells so good. Oh, there's a theme every month. So hooray, your box is here. Aw, a visit to Grandma's house is the theme. This box starts when you jump out of the car, run up to Grandma, and she gives you one of those hugs only Grandma can give, where she smells of baby powder and love, and you know that at least for the weekend, everything is going to be perfect. You guys start right out making chocolate chip cookies. I bet she even lets you lick the spoon. Oh my god, I want cookies. You play outside all day in fresh outdoors and stay up talking late into the night, sharing a big bowl of Grandma's famous buttery popcorn. You wake up to an amazing breakfast, a maple pecan waffles. I think that's kind of like the smell. It smells so good. But with warm buttery syrup, oh man, yum. With the right amount of love because Grandma made them for her favorite person in the world, you. I hope this box brings back fond memories of when you used to visit your Grandma's house as a kid. Your friend, Amy. Ooh. We have 2 candles and some wax melts, and it looks like there's something else in there too. So I think there's like 2 16-ounce candles, the website said. Oh my god, let's start off with the little wax candles. So these are wax barks. Okay, so these are, yeah, like wax melts. So this one's called buttered popcorn. Oh my god, this box is making me hungry. Oh yeah, there's little pieces of, oh, I love that it's called wax bar. Oh my god. You can break it up to fit your wax melter. Oh my god, this smells really good. And the next one, I think is the same thing as the butter. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it really smells good. Like, I want to yeah, I just say, and now, I've got all cozy, even though it's warm out in Florida. I put my sweater on. I'm totally in have popcorn, watch a movie, cuddle, eat food mode right now, for sure. Oh my god, and here's little candles that her baby powder. Oh my god, this is seriously what the description said. Both my grandmas sadly passed when I was just a baby, but I totally get it smells like, oh my god, it really smells. Here, see them in there. Oh, and they're little shape. Let me show you how cute they are. They look like little paw prints. It's adorable. And it really does. I feel like my head's oh my god, it smells good. It smells exactly like baby powder, dead on. So then we have these 2 candles here. Let's see. I have a candle going right now, but I'm running low on candles, so perfect timing. Oh yes. Oh my, oh, and they're hand poured in Michigan. I love Michigan people. I'm a Midwesterner myself originally, but not Michigan. I grew up in Chicago. Wax candles, maple pecan waffles. Oh my god, I love how this is in a jar, so you can reuse this too later. I try and do that with my candles, but like this is perfect for grandma too. Oh my god. I think this is what I smell. This smells so good. I mean, everything smells good. Like the combination of everything too. Maple pecan waffles. I would like, I don't have any like children. I was like, I would give my firstborn for some maple pecan waffle. Not really, that's a little extreme, but can we Uber Eats waffles? I bet you can. I bet there's like, the next one, the last thing in the box. Oh my god, chocolate chip cookies! You guys, if you've been around, you know. I freaking love cookies. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god, I love that they're from Michigan. That like makes me think of grandma too. I don't know, maybe just because I feel like it's from Michigan. Oh my god. This smells so good. And this is like filled up to the camera. So these, yeah, I think this is considered 16 ounces in their wax. Did I say earlier, is it soy? I don't know. So we have this 16 ounce large candle and chocolate chip cookies. I think, oh, I like all of them, but these two I think are my favorite because I like want to eat them. Okay, and then yeah, so then we have also a very large candle and maple pecan. Okay, let's do a sniff test. I just have to do it. I have to do it. Okay, so maple pecan waffles and then chocolate chip cookies. Oh, they're both so good. Chocolate chip cookies. I mean, cookies always wins. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm so excited. Thank you for sending me these. Did I say this in the beginning? This was sent to me for review but not sponsored or anything like that. So grateful. And then again we have the baby powder and the buttered pecan or buttered popcorn. I guess and this smells really good. And we have two of the popcorn, the buttered popcorn. Oops, I dropped it. So this is like, I'm like stoked. Like I was saying earlier, I love candles. I have them going all the time. And these all smell so good. And I love that it's Michigan founded place, Wix Wax Candle Company. And this is the scent-a-bration subscription. And like I was saying in the very beginning of the video, they also have another subscription plan. So I'm gonna link them down below and definitely use that 50% code to save on your first box. Thank you, Amy and Wix Wax Candle Company for sending this to me and for providing that code. That is awesome. I love your candles. I love the scent of them. They smell so good. And I think the theme was so dead on point, like so good. But yeah, I'm definitely going to go light the chocolate chip cookies and see if I have ingredients to make some because that sounds so good. But thank you again, and thank you guys for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go, and that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.